Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos, the giveaway I'm doing at 1,000 subscribers, or the 100th video, because it is going to be an explosion of the grand type, and you don't want to miss out on that. Now today's product, what we've got, is a less practical item. I really bought this thing for the humor of it. It was cheap, I thought it was funny. It does have practical uses, but for the most part, I'm going to consider this thing a hobo shower, and that's what we've got. It's on eBay for about $2. You do have to pay for shipping, but we're going to go and open this thing up and see if it actually is a hobo shower and if it works. Alright guys, so we've got our package here. It's pretty standard stuff. I'm going to go ahead and use the $3 keychain knife to open it up. If you want to check that video out, it's right up there. Try not to cut open our hose. Alright, here it is, protected in another bit of plastic here. Let's take it out of that. Now the concept is very simple. This part just pops right on the end of your sink, and this part turns it into a shower, which is kind of funny because if a hobo had it, they can go ahead and go in a public restroom, plug this thing in, and shower away. It actually would work, I believe, so let's go ahead and take this twist tie off, see how much length we got. Oh, there's two, look at that. They spared no expense. That's a good 3 feet long, guys, at least, maybe 3.5. It does have a little kink there. It shouldn't really affect the water flow, I don't think. Now the practical uses this thing does have is it can be used to bathe your pets, like a dog, or I doubt cats want to get wet and sprayed like a shower, but dogs, you know, any other animals you really need to clean up, you could attach it right to your sink and spray away. It is made of a plastic material. This hose is a rubbery plastic, which is nice. This part here is flexible, guys, and it is a rubbery type material, so it should give you a nice seal over the end of the sink. And everything seems to be attached pretty well and sturdy. I don't think anything's going to leak. If it does, then we will find out. But for the most part, it does seem pretty solid. Now, if you guys clicked into this video and you are watching this right now, I am really sorry that you have that little to do and you are that bored that you are watching this video. But hey, if you find my videos interesting, that's great. Click that subscribe button. I promise you it doesn't get worse than this. So let's go ahead and attach this thing right onto the sink and see if it actually works. Alright guys, since this sink has a wide end on it, obviously this isn't going to fit over it, I don't think. No. So on a regular standard sink it would fit, but we're going to have to unscrew this. Nothing hard about it, unscrews. Now if you want to see a video of a really cool LED faucet light that's powered by the faucet, it's only $2, and I did a review of it so you can check that out. So let's go ahead and pop this thing on. Alright, so it does have a nice little snug fit there. I'm not sure how much I trust it, but it did fit on. And here is our shower thing. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see if it works. Alright. Look at that. It's actually like a little shower. Let's see if it actually has some power. Okay. I could see using this to bathe as a hobo for sure. Oh, that dropped right off. Let's Alright, so full power might be a little much. Now, as you can see, it's starting to slide off, but that's because it doesn't have much to grip onto it. As you can see, it is working, can definitely be used to bathe your pets, and it's got a good flow and a good wide spread, so I actually think it would work as either a hobo shower or a pet bather or anything else you really can think of to apply this product. It works, it does what it says it's supposed to do. You may even use it as like a dishwasher, to be honest. Put this thing in your kitchen. It actually works. It's a nice little accessory. It's only $2, guys, so don't really expect too much out of it, but it does do its job, and it does so very well. Now, as much as I don't advise going into a public restroom and using this product to take a shower, it will work, and it will do so very effectively, in all honesty. It's got a good spread, basically like any other standard shower head. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for lots of future videos. The giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, or the 100th video, gonna be amazing. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot.